Here you go again, watching another video on how to make money. And you're probably thinking to yourself, I really want one of these to work. The problem is that you got no friends. And you're in the infamous No Friends Left Club. More than likely, you're not an expert in internet marketing or even have the budget to place ads, right? Well, for the first time ever, we got you. Because we got friends, and lots of them. As a matter of fact, you're going to get 100 of the hottest leads the minute you join us. So now we cut off the biggest excuse of why you fail. Not only do you get leads, you get some of the biggest, top earners to close them on your behalf. Hearing this, you probably want to be our best friend, right? Since we solve the two biggest issues, lack of people to show a business to, and not knowing how to close them. Now, as good as this is, it only gets better. We're putting everyone that joins into our Nitro line. Every time you log in, you get to smile as you see that Nitro line of your team just getting bigger and bigger. So getting our friends is awesome, but you know what's better? Is getting paid. So we designed a comp plan that can practically change your life overnight. Would you like to earn more in a week than most people do in a month? Yeah, we thought that you would say yes to that one. Now you're thinking, what is this going to cost me? This is the best part. When you join, we're going to show you the ways to get the money you spent right back without even signing anyone up. To see the way we do this, you need to watch the webinar on the next page. So, do you want all of our hot friends? Do you want to make more money? Do you want to solve all the reasons you failed in the past? And do you want to see a team exploding under you every single day? Soon as you grab a spot, you'll be placed in the Nitro line. Next person that joins can be getting placed under you, so this happens to infinity. So the faster you lock in a spot, the faster you can see your team explode. So fill in the form, watch the video on the next page, and lock in a spot as fast as possible. We'll see you on the next page.